Habai keren beginong patai kubor, sembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ula kentu kinong de Madan bakim dai ban kuslai. Namar kidehi kibriau jongki bat anse keren bat persang banyada ya kebahagamiat jong kinong de Madan. Sembut menteri rang ba ulong ba kesorkar keladap itu iki jaka ban Pynkynriah kinong de Madan bat kene kakam garang ya cekmat mentah. Ba kejing Pynkynriah iki kan ya dakapali. Ulong ru baya mentah kinong de Madan kin syong bande ki jaka ki baki donhi bat andala da penbet le nadong syadong. Bagi nong de Madan kin sa syem ya karai. Habakli lano unlum ya kejingalang juga town vending committee. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong ba anse pet namar menta ka ayom lek kemen kelawan kumta kin om lek kerki ai.
Yeah, it's correct. Yes, we will do in face manner nicely.
When do we expect the joint meeting between the government and the committee of
See, now to the festive season has come, the Christmas, all these and so many holidays. We will see nicely though. Why we should rush? We should not be in a hurry.
So the relocation of the hawkers as of now stands postponed? Or?
As of now, not postponed, but they'll be there as it is. And when everything is in finalized together with the hawker, we'll take a call.
Means this year unlikely.
I cannot say you this year or next year. Let's see.
But the hawkers are demanding for fresh election of the town vending committee. With them only they want to hold
But
the
that we will see.
discussions.
That we will see. We'll work accordingly. We will see.
Pidan liu bang karpat lagi ni kihapas namar kumbalong mentagi syong be hapo
Surat
surat
kalau kum ni, kau karjungi kita gibu jonga copi berpeli, berkenteh bersentrak ni. Kamtam nak lihat kum orban besar ngak kerpar, bakim day ban tension palat, bakim day ban kerke par. Ini apa perkalang? Kata ada nak gibu jongi tu fi, ini berceno ya ki. They are our own boys and girls, our own gents and women, ladies and gentlemen. Mana kata ini song lang dah kebasong tulang beror. Mana begini tension kita beror. Ini ya, song ni berkalang, bad ke tourism department, bad ke urban department, bad ki association yang ke hawker. Nicely, ane then we take a call.
Namar kumakalong mentang ni ki hawkers dan protes ki syong bro simia dang ti yang itu gimar kam ki. Ti sarkar kan le kum no kan syong kum
We will examine the matter nicely and properly.
Namar ngi ka jingduan syong ki hawkers kam tam apo kan nadu matran nadu kandaila. Ti kum no ka sarkar pat kan address.
Namar ya kata ngisim kya kum ke sorkaro, namar kum mau pi dang mi isin dang bon hawker. Ti sim kya kini kat bingilak ni perkat pada kata kerukom ke bandia. Shift sekecil biang kita kami pulang berki hawker syuru ni berki tourism department berki urban department teman tak exercise ni ada anda ada ka full exercise ini song lang syuru dengan join meeting ini take a good decision tak kami song lang berofek
pila pencucian kerteng ki jaka ki bab
nama nang muta isi tangan don hajing apa itu 4 lah lagi ni jaka
Ma, ni baka enrollment jong kini ki hawkers identified hawkers kedan kang ba arspa kat bagi hawkers pat kidan ki hajar mo kang.
So ya ketum lake urban department can work accordingly. All my hawker, all of them are wise people. I don't think so they will be against the government. I will work in such a manner. All of them are my people. We will work accordingly and nicely. We will coordinate together and collectively responsibility. No deadline. We are trying at least if this little bit faster be better for the state as a whole.
Will you call the hawkers for meeting?
Obviously, they will call them. Before I take any call, I will take everybody on board together nicely. Actually, we should identify more 3, 4, 5 because there are many hawkers. So we are unable to tell you how many places exactly, and the identification process is still on.